Hi, Steve Crisler here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I want to talk to you about an individual that's been taking my program and has been having great success. This is an email I received from him a few days ago, and I want to read part of it to you and then talk about the importance of consistency. This is all really a numbers game. The more people you get in front of, the more people you contact, you're going to get a percentage of them as clients. So you can't just go out there once or put one ad out once and expect to get a client from that. It's a numbers game. You have to be consistent, do it on a regular basis, follow all the instructions in the course, and you will get clients. So let me read this here. I have picked up client number 3. The first 2 clients are generating about $950 per month recurring, and this one will add about another $450 per month. This one is up to date, so there will be no cleanup. I have been keeping track and I have sent 65 emails. I've received 14 return contacts who I talked with and have landed 3 clients. So out of, this is one of many different ways to go about getting clients. Is when you email people that are looking for bookkeepers. And you can email them and let them know that you're a freelance bookkeeper and that you can help them out. And this is just specifically about that one approach. There's many other approaches I talk about in my course, but this is just the specific example of when you contact people that are businesses that are looking for bookkeepers. And you let them know that you're a freelance bookkeeper and that you can help them out. So he has sent 65 emails and landed 3 clients out of that. Now these are just sitting at your desk, sending out an email. It's not hard work to do, but he's been very consistent about doing it. You just want to attack it day after day. So this really drives home the importance of consistency. You really want to be consistent. Work on your getting clients every day, and you will get clients. And it's also obviously the approach that you take. And what I talk about in my course is lots of different ways to do it. And you don't want to just do one way. You want to do all the ways that fit for you. And so you might get one client doing one specific thing, and then get another client doing a different approach, and get another client doing a different approach. So, but it adds up. All those add up. You only need so many clients to be making some good money. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about starting your own bookkeeping business. I can help you out. My course can help you out. And we have a lot of examples of ways to make it happen. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Steve@bookkeepinglife.com. I'm happy to help. I'm here to help. And you can be a success story as well. All right? I'll talk to you later. Take care.